Having the skills is important, but making money from those set of skills is of essence. Welcome to eCorner, where we talk about everything entrepreneurship, financial pathways, and making money online. And as usual, I'm your host, Theophilus Ogbaigbe. In case you're just coming across our video for the first time, try as much as possible to subscribe to this channel and also turn on the notification bell. Do well to like, share, so that this content will reach a larger audience. Welcome to today's edition of eCorner. So today we're going to be talking about a particular social media tool that you know about, I know about, the whole world know about. Well, that particular social media tool is called LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a professional social media platform that brings job recruiters and job seekers together. So we have more job seekers, according to statistics, we have more job seekers than job recruiters. And now there's always a high competition when it comes to job seeking or job finding. So this is one essence why you need to be at the top of your game. If you are using LinkedIn for social media purpose, just like connecting with family and friends, you are using that platform wrongly. That platform is supposed to be for business purpose only. No other relationship apart from business relationship to transact on that particular platform. So we're going to be telling you how you can optimize your profile to stand a chance of landing yourself that dream job you have thought about. But one tip we're going to be dishing out: try as much as possible to post your top skills. Regardless of if you have numerous set of skills, like myself, I have different skills. I have skills in web developing, I have skills in content writing, copywriting, video editing, anything that has to do with media. But if you check my profile, because I'm going to use my profile as an example, I try as much as possible to put the top 5, at least the top 5 skills that is related to my job findings. I try as much as possible to put the one I know I have more passion for, right? So no matter how you have numerous set of skills, you have to be a specialist in one. So that particular statement that says jack of all trade, master of all is a master of none. Try as much as possible to be a specialist in a particular field, and you're going to up your chance in gaining that dream job you think about. Number 2 tip: get a professional headshot photograph. Yes, that is one thing your recruiter actually look out for, apart from your skills. And don't be surprised, that's the first thing they're going to see, your headshot photograph. That's the first thing they're going to come across before they even start going to check your skills. So try as much as possible to get a professional headshot. Go to a studio. It's not necessarily you have to get to a studio anyways. You can have a good phone that takes you a good photos. Make sure your head to your chest level, your breast level gets to show, and every place is illuminated with lights. Try as much as possible not to have your face all tight up or too smiley. Just keep it very simple and clean, right? Because psychologically, your recruiters can actually tell the kind of person you are. If you're having a very tight and serious face, the recruiter will be like, oh, this person we are about to recruit is going to be a sadist. And the next kind of picture, if you over smile, is going to be like, oh, this person is going to be a very playful person, and the person is not going to really take work seriously. So most times, psychologically, your profile picture actually give you in or give you out. Post only your experiences in the related skills you have. Yes, recruiters don't care about your educational background, so please don't go and start putting, I graduated from this particular school, this. It's not like you can't put it, but actually, in real sense, recruiters don't care about your educational background. Yes, your educational background is more like a yardstick, which gives you a chance because they believe, okay, you have a bachelor degree in this particular field and everything. It's more like a yardstick. The major concern is the skill. It's the ability for you to bring in innovations. It's the ability for you to turn their brands, their firms around. So post related experiences in that particular niche that you have worked years over. Number 40, post and engage content. Yes, post relevant content on your profile, right? You don't have to be inactive, right? Try as much as possible to post relevant content, be it graphics, be it videos, be it write-ups, anything that has to deal with your job, right? Because recruiters actually look at how frequent you try as much as possible to post on your profile, right? And also engage content. Engaging content refers to sometimes if you check your notification dashboard, you're going to see messages. LinkedIn is going to tell you, okay, this particular person just got graduated, this particular person just got certified, this particular person just got this job. They are going to notify you. Try as much as possible to engage that content. Engaging that content, trying to most times when it comes to situation of where they ask a simple question of saying, what do you think about this? Try as much as possible to give your opinion about it and also give solutions, right? Because most times, most of all those conversations due to social media right now goes viral. Recruiters come in there and look at who is this particular sensible person making such solutions and contributions in this particular thing that has been giving us problem. So those are how you can also get a job. So if you are an inactive person today, try as much as possible to be active on your LinkedIn profile. Use relevant keywords. Try as much as possible to add relevant keywords whenever you're posting on your profile. Be it graphic work, be it write-ups, be it videos. Before you post, try to implement using hashtags, because social media has been, the way they tend to do the algorithm these days, it stacks information according to the hashtag you use. Let's give an example. How has copywriting help in advertisement? That is the write-up you are putting on your profile because you are a copywriter. Put at the end, put hashtag what? Hashtag copywriting, hashtag advertisement, because those two keywords are in your write-up. Try as much as possible to use keywords that are related to whatever thing you're posting on your profile, because it gives your profile more visibility, it gives your profile more impressions. If you have more impressions, if you have more visibilities, this is more chance for recruiters to see your profile. Job preference. Job preference is another key way of optimizing your LinkedIn profile. You can be able to choose what type of job you want. You can either choose a remote job, you can either choose on-site job, or you can choose an hybrid type of job. Well, what is an hybrid type of job? An hybrid type of job is a job that requires you to visit the office space where the job is located some days of the week, and also in some days of the week you can work from the comfort of your home. That is hybrid. And on-site meaning you have to work from the office, the physical space where that job is located, all through. And remotely means you can work in any part that you want, especially from the comfort of your home. And remote job has been widespread due to the pandemic. So everybody is looking for a remote job, because a remote job actually gives you time to do other things. Set a job alert. LinkedIn gets to notify you after you have enabled your search alert on. LinkedIn gets to notify you via mail telling you of a particular job openings. But there's a two-way to it. LinkedIn has two types of profile. We have a premium profile and we have a non-premium profile. So a premium profile allows you to get notified on time. That is the advantage. You'll be the first person to see that job opening, and that gives you an edge over others, because some recruiters have a numbers of applications they want to deal with. And that is why you see on LinkedIn, sometimes if we have 50 applications, before you're going to see this particular recruiter is no more receiving applications. So if you have the money, you can try as much as possible to up your game by going on a premium plan of LinkedIn. But if you do not feel discouraged. You can also get a job from a non-premium account on LinkedIn as far as you set your job alert. Implementing all these tips that I have given you so far throughout the videos will help you optimize your LinkedIn profile. So if you have already paid someone to optimize your LinkedIn profile, I don't know if there's a cashback, you can actually go for your money. Well, try as much as possible to share this video, try as much as possible to implement everything you've watched on this video, and we hope to get feedbacks, especially from you that has implemented all these tips and you land yourself that dream job you have been thinking about, you've been dreaming about. So this is how we come to the end of today's edition of eCorner. I'm still your host, Chief Philosopher. By the way, you know, as we do say, try as much as possible to subscribe to this channel, try as much as possible to share, let this information reach a wider audience. It will help the channel grow and it will help us reach to major and large people who need this information. Please do not be stingy, do not hoard information. Share this information and keep sharing the love. Till I come with you next time, this is still eCorner, and I'll see you when I see you.